One more family, one more story of sorrows. The woman was happy. The woman requested to complete her room. We estimated that how much bricks are needed to complete the room. Approximately 2000 bricks were required to complete the walls and roof. The woman again and again was saying thanks to Sardar Nazir. She has an innocent baby. We came back and entered one more hall where society had constructed one more home. It was a gutter for toilet. She was helping her husband by selling the vegetables at home. Her sons and daughters were studying in school. She wanted to construct the outer wall of the house.
My husband does labor. Yes, only 4 or 5 classes. I have 3 children. We had constructed these walls, but they collapsed. Roof also collapsed.
She and her husband were happy because their dream to construct their own home was going to become true. The roof is really a symbol of security and protection in this insecure society. To sleep under the open sky by covering body with the dark night is quite horrible. And there are millions of people are in the world who sleep carelessly on footpaths, in parks, or on public places. I don't know what's the standard of justice in the world. I don't have an idea that how the people are grouped in poor and rich. But I know that it happens in this world and it will happen till the doomsday. This was the last home that we visited at that day. The people were praying on the construction of their homes and we were happy to see them, very happy. We came back to visit the other homes